Transport in plants. How exciting! Before we get into it, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Transpiration is the loss of water through the leaves of a plant causing for more water to be drawn up xylem vessels. So what are xylem vessels? You know I fancy a green background. Much better. Xylem vessels are tubes that carry water up a plant from the roots to the leaves through the stem. What about their adaptations? They have cell walls backed up by a dead substance called lignin, which helps withstand the water pressure. They are also made up of columns of hollow cells, which allows water to move freely up them. Let's go back to a white background, and I fancy a music change. Anyway, we know that water is taken in by root hair cells and is transported to the leaves via those xylem vessels. The water is then either used for photosynthesis or it evaporates. This water, as vapor, can then diffuse out of the leaf. It's this loss of water here that causes more water to be absorbed by the root hair cells and more water to be drawn up the xylem to the leaves. This is to replace the lost water. This movement of water through a plant due to its loss at the leaf is known as the transpiration stream. You're very welcome. What factors affect the transpiration rate? Time for another color and music change, don't you think? Let's start with temperature. An increase in temperature causes particles to move quicker, so water diffuses out the leaf quicker and more water needs to be drawn up. An increase in light intensity increases the rate of photosynthesis, so more water is needed as it is being used at a quicker rate. An increase in humidity means a higher concentration of water outside the leaf, which reduces the concentration gradient, meaning the water won't diffuse as quickly, so not as much will need to be drawn up. Finally, increased air movement reduces the water concentration outside the leaf, which steepens this concentration gradient, allowing for quicker diffusion. As well as transpiration, there is translocation, which is the movement of sugars in a plant through flowing vessels.